Sorry for the ugly, I just got out of the shower. But it's snowing outside and I wanted to take some pictures. Okay, we got some of these Fujifilm quicker snappers. I'm choosing to go with a disposable because these have a flash on them and it's dark outside. So let's go. Take a lot of video because it's dark outside. I hope you enjoyed anyway. Happy Vlogmas. I will see you tomorrow. Bye.